This is the Cold Steel Weeping Heart Tomahawk. It is 22 inches in overall length. The steel is 1055 mid-carbon steel. That's made in Taiwan. It comes with that rubber edge guard. Let's take that off. As you can see, there is the blade. There is the back spike. I did sharpen this a little bit because it doesn't really come sharp. It comes with like a working edge. Like most cold steel hawks, it's more of a project hawk. The fun is that you can customize it. You're going to have to sharpen it. You might have to secure the head more in some fashion, and you may wish to add customization to this rather plain vanilla handle. But overall, it's a good hawk at its core. It gives you a lot to work with. All right, splitting some wood with the Weeping Heart. Sorry for any wind noise. Had some rough weather. Let's see this. There we go. Doing well. Nice. Nice. Oh, that's a tough piece. They always give it up in the end. There you have it, YouTube. Okay, as you can see, in only a few moments, we split those pieces of wood. Hits pretty hard when it has to. It's doing well. All right, this is doing well. I mean, consider, this is not an axe, this is just a hawk. Nice. Yeah. All right, it's in there. Imagine if that was a skull. Oh, that split it. That split the wood. Okay. Oh, that spike has some definite piercing ability. Yeah, that's splitting it. Nice, nice. I actually prefer a hammer on my hawks, but since this has a spike, it pierces well. Yeah, the spike pierces well. Spike pierces well. The spike is quite a piercing spike. I prefer a hammer, but I understand sometimes you just need to put this through the head of a zombie. I understand. As a hand-to-hand weapon, definitely, but also as a utility tool or survival tool. I mean, a hawk like this, it's like a compromise. I like it a lot. I'm glad I added it to my arsenal of democracy of tomahawks that I have from Cold Steel, CRKT. But yeah, it does kind of remind me of their Spike Hawk, but it does have the Weeping Heart right there.